Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of May 2023 for Aquarius Ascendant. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of May for the Aquarius Ascendant people. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all Aquarius Ascendant people, Sun controls your seventh house, and right now, Sun is moving in your third house in the sign of Aries, where Jupiter, Rahu, and Mercury already moving. Seventh house controls your marriage, your relationships, your business partnership, your business, your status, along with the 10th house deal with 7th house, how you meet with other people, how others perceive you when you meet others is seen from 7th house. Now 7th house lord is moving in your third house in the sign of Aries, so we can expect till 15th May, because sun in your third house will stay till 15th May, then sun will move to your fourth house in the sign of Taurus. So till 15th May, we can expect that you may face some hardships and disturbance in your relationship with your spouse, especially with your communication, because third house generally represents communication and Rahu is already moving there. So Rahu will create disturbance regarding your relationships and your marriage, in your with your spouse and your business partnership. So we can expect disturbing result from sun till 15th May. After 15th May, when sun will move to your fourth house in the sign of Taurus, then we can expect some relief related to your marriage related matters or your communication related matter, which were being disturbed till 15th May. So be careful regarding your communication in your relations and with your spouse and business partnerships, because 7th house deal with all these things. So we can expect these results from sun in the month of May. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all Aquarius ascendant people, Mercury controls your eighth house and your fifth house, and right now Mercury is moving in your third house in the sign of Aries, and also Mercury is right now is in retrograde motion till 14th May. Mercury is moving in retrograde motion from last month 22nd April and will remain retrograde till the 14th May. So till 14th May we can expect your fifth house related matters or your eighth house related matters. The eighth house deal with sudden events, your longevity, your in-laws, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life, and fifth house deals with your education, your love relationships, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, and your love relationship, your fiance, your girlfriend, boyfriend, also seen from fifth house. From fifth house. So Lord of these two houses is moving in third house in retrograde motion. So till 14th May, until Mercury come back to a direct motion, you need to careful regarding your love relationships or your sudden events in life. So we can expect suddenly you can, as we talk in sun section, that suddenly communication related disturbance can arise in your relationships, in your love relationships, or suddenly will arise because eighth house is also involved, and right now Mercury is retrograde. Whenever planet is moving in retrograde motion, either it was previously giving good result or bad result, its result will be double till the planets come out of its retrograde motion. So you need to be careful regarding your fifth house love relationships and your sudden events in your life till the in the month of May. Now let's talk about Venus. For all Aquarius ascendant people, Venus control your ninth house and your fourth house, and right now Venus is moving in your fifth house in the sign of Gemini, where Mars is already moving. Now your Ketu is moving in your ninth house from last year, March 2022. So we can expect you are facing disturbing results from your ninth house related matters, like your father, relationship with your father, your teacher, your higher education, your travel related matters, or your wisdom, because ninth houses deal with such things. Ketu, and whenever Ketu is moving in any house, it creates detachment from the house significance where Ketu is moving. So we can expect you are facing disturbing results since last year from your ninth house related matter. But right now, Venus, ninth house Lord is moving in fifth house, and fifth house is considered as most auspicious house in astrology. And Venus is right now placed in its friendly sign, Gemini sign. So we can expect in this month of May, you may face some relief from the disturb effect of Ketu from your ninth house, which were you are facing from last year, March 2022. Venus also control your fourth house. Fourth house deal with your mother's relationship, your home, your vehicle, your property, your emotions. So we can expect good relationship with your mother during this month, or your vehicle or your property matters as well, because Venus is right now moving in good position in your fifth house. So we can expect these results from Venus in the month of May. Now let's talk about Moon. For all Aquarius Ascendant people, Moon controls your sixth house, and right now Moon is moving in your ninth house in the sign of Libra. The position of planet you are watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th May. On the basis of 6th May, we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. So if we predict Moon for every house in monthly prediction videos, so it will be difficult for us and video will get too lengthy. But here we will try to make you understand how you can see Moon transit in your chart easily. So whenever Moon in transit moving from 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect that we may face some disturbance issues and problems in our life, because 6th, 8th and 12th house considered as naturally malefic houses in astrology, and Moon is very sensitive and delicate planet. When Moon get influenced very easily from the negativity or positivity. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, like such as Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, Mars. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. But now Moon is moving in your ninth house with Ketu. On 6th May, you had lunar eclipse in your ninth house. As we can hear on whiteboard, from 6th to 5th May, you had solar eclipse in your ninth house. So solar and lunar eclipse also represent beginnings and endings in your life. So we can expect after the month of May, June, July, you will face a new perspective in your life, because also your ascendant Lord is just recently moved in your ascendant on 17 Jan 2023. So we can expect you were facing many difficult results from last year, from last 2.5 years, because your ascendant Lord was moving in your 10th, was moving in your 12th house, which is a house of loss and expenses, and not considered as good in your astrology as the other houses. So we can expect now onwards, slowly your life will be turning towards good in life, or you will progress in your life. So we can expect these results in the month of May for your ascendant. We will have two major astrological events in the month of May. Number one, as we discussed in Moon section, around 5th to 6th May, you will have lunar eclipse in your ninth house. Second, Mercury will turn into direct motion on 14th May, as Mercury is right now moving in retrograde motion in your third house, as we discussed in Mercury section. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu. About all of these planets we have described in detail in our yearly prediction videos. If you are interested to know results of these planets for the whole year of 2023, then you can check my playlist of yearly prediction and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of May 2023 for Aquarius Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful to you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.